independence 6 years after he moves here. In his classroom, James Madison, it gives us our Constitution, Bill of Rights. Isn't that good? Right? And so Woodrow Wilson, we're going to talk a little bit about him. In an hour and a half, you can only cover so much, right? What you're going to learn about Woodrow Wilson in Princeton in the first football game in America. And Rutgers students used to come and move the cannon all over campus to annoy the little tigers here. So the tigers got so sick of it, they actually hauled it back to the Senate and they
Moses.
tell you about the Institute. Because you already know the university's amazing. I want you to think of the Institute as Princeton University, where not only do we have some wealthy folks that come out of Princeton, but also folks from the culture. That, so it's not going to be the price of the house in Princeton, it's going to kill you. Something like that, it's going to be maybe 2.5. It won't be the price, or even up to the taxes. So my little house.
Well, I came in on
Okay, so here we are at Princeton. A few people you might recognize. General Petraeus. A lot of famous people graduated from Princeton. No kidding. What a great week here. Part of the Entrepreneurs Program. So thank you all for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Some of you may recall Brooke Shields. I could zero in on a lot of these folks here, but if you want to come to Princeton and be a tiger, you will be welcomed by many. Recognize that one. Recognize that one. There we go, folks. Princeton University, New Jersey.